Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove app drawer folder on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now to remove the folders from your app drawer, just tap and hold on the folder which you want to remove from your app drawer. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on delete. Now from here, just tap on delete folder. Now, as you can see, once you do that, the folders on your app drawer will be deleted. Just like that. And this is how you can remove app drawer folder on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.